we gonna sing your song, Molly? No? Do you want to sing your song? No, we hear you in the back. Oh, hi, TJ. I didn't see you come back here.
I know. Can y'all hear me?
Yeah.
Josh came running down.
I know. He's a weird kid, but his internship is almost over, so thank God. Thank you, Molly. All right, can we see if Molly will sing her song real quick? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, Molly, you want to sing your song?